Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to edit your profile problem in TikTok. Okay, let's start. At first go to your phone settings. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Click on search bar, then search TikTok. Click on TikTok. Scroll down. Click on storage. Then click on clear data. Click on delete. Now you can back. Then tap on Play Store. Search TikTok. Check update your TikTok. My TikTok is already updated. By doing this process, hopefully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.